One of the great things about being in this industry is you get to go check out stunning floor plans from amazing builders. So today we're doing just that. We're going to be up in the Northwest Las Vegas Valley checking out a home from Beazer. This is their second of 3 model homes, and if this interests you, stay tuned because it's coming up next. Hey everybody, how are y'all doing today? I hope you're all doing really well. My name is MJ. I'm a realtor out here in Las Vegas working for Berkshire Hathaway. And here on this channel, we check out new homes from builders. We check out existing inventory, also you don't have to. So all that said, today we're going to be returning to the Northwest Las Vegas Valley to check out a Beazer home called Sausalito within the Ravenna neighborhood located in the Skye Canyon Master Plan community. So let's head out to Skye Canyon and check out this stunning model home from Beazer. All right, we have arrived at Ravenna at Skye Canyon, built by Beazer Homes. Today we're going to take a look at the Sausalito. It is 2,138 square feet, 2 stories, 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2-car garage, choice kitchen, choice primary bathroom, meaning you get to choose those, optional deluxe and primary bathroom, optional deck, optional bedroom 4 in lieu of the loft. It starts at $334,990, and you get to pick your own lot within the neighborhood, so that will be an additional lot premium as well. Headed up to the front door here, I'm sure you saw that the pavers were down on the sidewalk there. You also get pavers on the rear driveway. Those are all included, as well as front landscaping and drip irrigation system. Headed into the house, you're immediately greeted with the great room. Looking into the living room right now, panning over to the dining room and into the kitchen. Again, it's a choice kitchen. Granite countertops are included, 36-inch uppers, stainless steel Whirlpool appliances, single bowl undermount sink, Moen faucet. You get crown molding on your cabinetry. The cabinetry has single pane on there. I actually kind of like that look. It's a really clean look. It doesn't muck it up too much. It's easier to clean as well. Looking into the pantry there, you get a nice walk-in pantry. You can actually build in more shelving if you care to. I like that backsplash too. It's a nice color. I'm a big fan of honeycomb patterns as well. One thing to keep in mind with these model homes is a lot of features are included that you're seeing, but there's also a lot of features that are not included, so please keep that in mind. One feature that you're noticing is the flooring. Through the wet areas, so the kitchen, the laundry room, the bathrooms, the entry, those will be tiled, but the rest of the house will be carpet. In these models, they use Mohawk carpet, and let me double check here, Daltile is the flooring brand. There's the powder room there. There's also a little bit of storage to the right that we'll see in just a second. I would like to take a moment and thank you for joining the channel and viewing this video. If you're enjoying it, getting value out of it, please give it a like. It really helps out and really appreciate it. Thank you. There is no backyard on this particular model. You'll get a side yard instead. Like I said before, the garage is on the back side of the house, which is really unique. Now coming upstairs, you're walking straight into the loft, and this model is built out with the loft, and in lieu of the loft, you could have an optional bedroom 4 if you chose to. Then headed down the hall here, we're going to go into the laundry room on the right. That's built-in shelving. You could definitely upgrade that to cabinetry if you chose to. It's going to be a gas hookup there, as well as tile on the flooring for the wet area. And turning around, you're going to come into one of the main bathrooms upstairs for the bedrooms. It has dual sinks, and it is a full bathroom, so it is a shower tub combo. And then as we're turning around here, you'll get a better peek at the granite on the countertop. Granite is included in this bathroom, as well as the master bathroom, which we'll see here in just a few moments. One thing I want to talk about as we're going through these bedrooms is the HOA. There is a master HOA, and it's within the Skye Canyon Master Plan community. It's $250 a quarter. There's an amazing clubhouse with a fitness center, a pool, large green areas. They have a lot of events. And then the community Ravenna is your sub-association, which is $140 a quarter. There's a nice large green area and a little playground, which you'll see a nice little video of later. It is also gated, and all the common areas will be taken care of. There's also a SID, which is $244.92 per 6 months, which has a $6,900 payoff. All of that adding up to about $170 a month in addition to your mortgage. Getting caught up here, we're walking into another bedroom. They were relatively small. They seemed like they were about 10 by 10. However, they each do have their own walk-in closets. I'm not sure if the fourth bedroom in lieu of the loft would have a walk-in closet or not. I would guess it's going to be a standard closet, however. If you do have questions about that, I'd be happy to find out for you. Just give me a call. My information is down in the description below. All right, walking back out into the hallway here, we're gonna head over to the master suites. Take one quick peek at the loft here. There's the master suite. You have a walk-in closet to the left there. You get a better peek at it here in just a second. Has nice big windows for nice natural lighting. I would guess this bedroom is about 14 by 14. It might be a little bit bigger, it might be 16 by 14. Nice size walk-in closet there. You'll be able to fit all your clothes in there. Headed into the master bathroom. That is some very busy granite right there. Going with the same cabinetry in here. You got dual sinks. You have a nice little makeup counter there as well. Again, it's going to be Moen faucets. These are going to be adult-sized countertops, meaning it's going to be a little bit higher than the previous bathroom. You're going to get a separate shower and tub in here, which is really, really nice. And then there's going to be a second walk-in closet just to the left here. There's ample storage in this house for sure. There will be 3-inch molding included throughout the house. You can definitely upgrade that at the design studio. And that about wraps it up for this tour, guys. I appreciate you watching. If you enjoyed it, please give the video a like. It really helps out the channel. And if you enjoy tours like this, consider subscribing to the channel as I post new content regularly. If you're from out of town, we have lots of tools to use to find you the perfect home here in Las Vegas. Please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'm happy to help. And just to wrap it up, if you guys have any comments or thoughts about this model, leave them in the description below. I'm happy to hear them. You can create a nice discussion down there. And as always, thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Later, guys. And today we're going to be returning to the Northwest Las Vegas Valley, checking out the Sausalito. Sausalito. Oh my God.